BBQ. I can see a lot of fun going on there. So just follow me, we'll show you what we have today. Our community park. So that's the open area. You can see how many people gathered today. So let's go see what we have. I think there's a cotton candy going on. And look at how many kids are there, right? They love cotton candy. Here we have the cotton candy making machine. Look at that. And here's the kids line up.
Here face painting is going on. Lot of kids are here. They are enjoying this event too much, and the weather is also very good. It's very sunny today. Lot of people with their kids. So enjoy Happy Stampede. So are also enjoying the castle, jumping castle. Oh wow!
The barbecue is going on my left side. We'll show you that shortly. And behind that, yeah, there's a DJ going on. You can here. Since Asia TV is also here. Here you guys can see there's some, I think, some mashed potatoes, a tea stall, or maybe coffee as well. Here we have pakoras, some South Asian sweets. Oh, look at that. Those are the pakoras, guys. Here we have spring rolls. Here we have a barbecue. And there's the barbecue station. Look at that. Look at that, the long line, guys. Wow.
Please, KB.
Very nice day. I already told the video. A lot of people from our community are here. They are enjoying Stampede breakfast. We have going on the music. We have face painting. We have cotton candy station. We have barbecue, and also ethnic food like pakoras, sweets, spring rolls. A lot of it. I'm loving it. Looking so good. Most of the community gather here. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and we have a cotton candy station here. We have barbecue here. We have a DJ here. Music is playing. You can hear the music in my back. You see how long the line is, and everybody's enjoying. And on top of it, we have a very sunny and crisp day, man. So
Happy Stampede!
Happy Stampede, Calgarian! Happy
Yep.
Stampede!
Thanks.
Please keep us watching. Keep watching Enjoy Star Food. Share with your family and friends. And give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. So, thank you very much from KBN.
Yeah, and thanks for watching.